outside today since it's a gorgeous day outside. We're going to do Wonder Woman breathing today, and then I'm going to read a story, and then we're going to do some wish wells. So for Wonder Woman, stand like a superhero. You're going to breathe in. Let's do it again. One more time. Today's story is Spunky Little Monkey, and it involves some movement. So you can go ahead and stand up, sit up, do what you need, but get ready to be moving. Spunky Little Monkey by Bill Martin Jr. and Michael Sampson. Illustrated by Brian Wood. 1. And this is going to be read with permission by Scholastic. Sleepy little monkey won't get out of bed. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, apple juice, orange juice, gooseberry pies, monkey needs some exercise. Rutabaga, sis boom ba. Pop up, monkey, rah, rah, rah. First, you get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Have you got the rhythm of the head, ding dong? Then you get the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap. Have you got the rhythm of the hands, clap, clap? Then you get the rhythm of the feet, stomp, stomp. Have you got the rhythm of the feet? Stomp, stomp. Then you get the rhythm of the hips. Shake, shake. Have you got the rhythm of the hips? Shake, shake. Put them all together. You'll be feeling so much better. Ready? Starting with the head. Ding dong. Clap, clap. Stomp, stomp. Shake, shake. Do them backward, nice and quick. You'll feel perky. That's the trick. Shake, shake, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, ding dong. Rutabaga, sis boom ba. Monkey, monkey, rah, rah, rah. Spunky little monkey, ready for the day. Come on, monkey, let's go play. I hope you guys get to go out and enjoy this wonderful day. Let's do our wish well song so you guys can get ready. So think of anyone you want to wish well. Bring them down to your hearts. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today. We wish you well. Bye. I hope you have a great Monday.